Alright guys, this is four-wheel drive buggy and Tuff truck.
My 8-scale sounded like, and then I threw it in the garbage.
I can't see down there, but I believe Jordan and Forrest are down there, right? Yep. Alright guys, Marshall's ready. Drivers. Less than 5, here we go. Oh, Russell packing it into the pipe right off the bat.
Oh no! Oh man. Oh, Jordan.
I don't know.
It'll be a fun race. I'm trying to get by you, I'm scared. Your head through the wall. I know. Alright, get ahead.
Forrest getting it wrong through the triple. And here they come for lap number 1 in the buggy class. Oh, Forrest hitting the pipe. O'Neal stuck, kind of, maybe, sort of, maybe not. We got Forrest up front. Jordan is second for Buggy. At the line is O'Neal. All 3 is the numbskull.
Oh, shit. Whoops. What's going on? Oh, a boat! Are you really? Yeah. What'd you think?
Oh, Jordan coming off.
I don't think I want to let you drive my car, Jordan.
What? No, not me. Let me break, Jordan.
6 minutes left.
2 down, 6 to go. Got Forrest out front for Buggy. Russell out front for Tuff truck, followed by O'Neal and Isaac. Jordan not having good luck in four-wheel drive buggy. .5:30 on the clock. This is race number 2. Race number 3, stadium truck. You guys are up next. There goes Forrest Watson down the front stretch.
Oh, I forgot all that. That's fine.
5 minutes left.
Let's try to have the stadium trucks ready if you're not marshaling or driving right now. Have them all ready to go. Hopefully we can make up a little bit of time. Isaac Mayer down the front stretch. This is 3rd in Tuff truck right now. Here comes Forrest Watson. First time out for Forrest tonight in a long time. Trying to make up some